Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Noble Investor here. Today, I'm going to go over how I made $900 trading gold. I'm going to go over my pre-market analysis and overall objective for the day. And today was a good day. Closed out with $900 profit, recovering from yesterday's loss. But let's get into the markup. So, you know, highs and lows is ideally the liquidity point for gold. You guys see how I mark up my chart. So previously high, this is the new day candle. So this would have been the previous day. So we have previously high and low plotted. But studying the candle, the three candles before the previous day, that's how we develop our bias. So would have seen this day sweep the high of the previous day and close with a liquidity run, which basically states that it's in bearish market flow. So jump off the daily, go on the 1 hour now. Let's clean up our chart. Well, not so far. Let's plot the 4 hour high and low for the session. So what I've had here and here. Very clean, very clean. So we can look at this zone as a order block. And let's go inside the order block now to study price. So go on the 15 minutes right here. If we reduce back this zone, given this is just a reference, we're in an order block. Ideally, price was delivering from a 15-minute fair value gap, and we can see very clearly that we had the change in state of delivery that occurred within this zone. So we're in bearish market flow. We're daily time frame bearish, 4 hour candle bearish, and 1 hour candle also bearish. So today, just come in and plot out the significant PDRAs. So this would have been the 15-minute fair value gap for price. Also, we can see that market had a gap right here, but it was also this fair value gap that was supporting the bullish counter trend, but the bullish retracement after the sells from this change in state of delivery. So this would have been the retest to balance back our inefficiency in this bearish move to go lower, which come in again, market open. We can see that we had a huge gap displacement downwards towards the lows of the session, taking out the previous 4 hour low. However, for this day, given that we are already bearish, I I want to stick with that trend. I want to ensure that I'm on that delivery side. I'm on the higher time frame bias. So we had this zone right here that, given that price should break below here, it would be a structural change in the state from this bullish trend to bearish. So the moment I saw this, I took a sell in this area, stops covering the gap, stop, take profit, targeting previous day low. And this is one of the most beautiful deliveries we've had in gold in one of the longest time for a session opening midweek. And yeah, as you can see also, once price broke, it created a fair value gap right here that got retested in the next opening candle, retested, and it came with a distribution. And just to pull up my stats for tonight, closing with $900 profit, recovering from yesterday's loss, yesterday big loss in the market. But yeah, still a lot more left on the table. But this is such a plus setup that you don't need anything more. One trade, less than 30 minutes, job is done. So like, share, and subscribe to Noble Investor. I go live every week. I will be more consistent back again. Guys, this is the truth. This is the truth. So like, share, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, $900 easy, just like that.